Hello everyone, welcome to another tip. Today I'm going to talk to you about a program that it can be very invaluable, very useful, and every Windows 7 and Windows XP computer has it, and Windows Vista. I'm sure Windows 8 has it, but I don't have any experience as far as using that. So this is basically for Windows 7 through Windows XP and Windows Vista. It's a program called System Restore. Now this is a program that you can use to create a restore point. Basically, when you create a restore point, and then if you do something and your computer gets infected by a virus, or somehow the program disables your computer in some fashion, you can restore it back to the previous state so you can return to an operable computer. So, I'm using a virtual machine for this demonstration, so I can actually show you this in action. But you probably don't want to do this as a hands-on lab to your main computer, as you know, if you installed updates or installed all programs, you're going to lose it. So, first of all, how do I create a system restore point? First of all, you have to go down to your Start menu. Find your computer, and right-click it. Click Properties. That brings up this box, this dialog box, and on the top left, there's a list of 4 choices. Hit System Protection. Now I close this here, so that leaves me with this here. And towards the bottom, it says create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. Create. Give it a name, just so you know what it was created for. For my example, I'm going to do before AIM, before AOL Instant Messenger, and you click create, and then it's creating a system restore point. Shouldn't take very long. Okay, and then it says the restore point was created successfully. Then you can close and hit OK. And now it's at this point where you can install software or do any changes you want. For me, I want to go ahead and install AIM. Okay. Run. Sorry, just going through the process of installing this. Yes. No. Okay, I'm now installing AIM. Okay, it completed successfully. Okay, so as you can see, AIM is now installed. Now let's pretend that this program crashed my computer, causing it to become disabled in some fashion. Alright, so I need to restore my computer. How do I do this? You do this by going to your Start. Okay, please note that there's an AIM icon here so you know it's installed. Alright, first of all, you go to the Start menu, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and then System Restore right here. So you click that. Then that comes up with this prompt. Click Next. And then here is the restore point, or in my case, restore points that I have on my computer. In this case, the best thing to do when you're restoring a point is restore to right before the issue started. You don't want to go back too far, because then you have to reinstall your Windows updates or any other applications. Now this won't affect data outside of installed applications and updates. So But it's always a good idea to just do just do the first restore point right before the the issues started to pop up. So in my case, it's gonna be right before I installed AIM. So I just click that once, make sure it's highlighted, click next, and then confirming restore point. It gives you your time, 12:03 at 12:02:55. Hit finish, and then once started, system restore can't be interrupted. Do you want to continue? Yes. And it says preparing to restore your computer. And this is where we sit back, relax, and wait to see what happens. What happens is it kind of boots off, shuts down, and then it says please wait while your Windows files and settings are being restored. System restore is initializing. This process could take a while, so probably about 2 minutes of this. And now the system restore is removing temporary files. System restore is complete, shutting down. Now, you might wonder why it was so quick. Well, I am running a virtual machine, so it's going to be a lot quicker using VMware, as you can see. So, this process would take a lot more time. This process will most likely take a lot more time than it will for me, since I'm running this on a virtual machine. So, please don't get worried if it's taking forever, because virtual machine always runs faster than your OS installed on your computer. Alright, and as you can see, it's now loading back up to Windows. Welcome. Okay, and as you can see, once the desktop loads, you'll notice that the AIM desktop icon is no more. Okay, well, since I'm using a virtual machine, it wants me to activate. Ask me later. That stuff you won't normally see. That's just stuff because I have a virtual machine. I haven't activated it. Alright, so in any case, once you're back up and running, you get this thing saying system restore completed successfully. System has been restored to that time and date. Your documents have not been affected. As I said before, your data does not get affected by restore points. It's only the applications installed and updates that you do. And if you notice up here, it's gone, and just to verify it, looking in the start menu, all programs, AIM is no longer listed. So this is very useful if you get infected by a virus, as it deletes itself, because it deletes itself because if you restore your computer to a previous state before that happened. So it's a very invaluable program. But as I said before, hopefully you never have to experience it. Thank you for watching, and that's the tip for the day. Bye bye for now.